Welcome everyone. This is week 9 and we go through the blood system, which is chapter 13 in your textbook. When you take a look at chapter 13, there really is a lot to the anatomy and physiology portion of it. The very beginning of this chapter is quite heavy with all the different types of blood cells, things like that. We're really focused on your yellow vocab terms, and then there isn't a lot to new combining forms, suffixes, or prefixes. In fact, I don't think there's any new prefixes, just combining forms and a few suffixes for us to go through. Some of them are repeat, so that's really nice. Really focus when you're reading here on the last part of the chapter. Again, there's a lot of diseases that are super important here, a lot of lab tests and regular clinical procedures. The abbreviations are great, and again, do the work in the back of your chapter. The exercise is there to practice for you. You have the answers in the back of the textbook.